is not taking app for developer. You can install this extension on your Visual Studio Code, and this extension allow you to write note on the file and share it with other people if you want, and save it to by SVG format. And also I add this one to my GitHub repository, so it shares with all devices that I have, and remotely I can connect to this one and edit something. It also, this extension work on the Visual Studio Code on the web. So if you go to your GitHub repository and press dot and install this extension on your Visual Studio Code there, you can edit your note. It's very simple, and also it supports the pen on iPad. Also it has a library. You can go and see other add-on to this extension. Add character, presentation, bullet journal. Here the some of this extension. And just by download and open it in your Visual Studio Code, you can have this extension add-on to your drawing tools. Kubernetes icon. You can open this file that you downloaded and add it to your library here, and I already add some of them here, and I can use it. Just drag and drop, and you can use any extension. It's no collage. UML. Calendar. Planning.